Hello, and welcome to the Job Tracker tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create your project with a MeasureSquare project file. To begin, log into your MeasureSquare account and tap on the blue plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. When you tap on this icon, you will see all of your MeasureSquare projects that have been synced to the cloud. I am already logged in with my MeasureSquare ID, so it will bring up a pop-up where you can see a roster of MeasureSquare project files associated with your MeasureSquare ID. At the search bar up top, you can look for different project files. I'm going to select Cone Health. When we tap on this file, it will load the plan data. Then you will have access to each tab of the project, then tap on the next button at the top right. Here you are able to rename the project if needed. As you can see, Tracker already grabbed the MeasureSquare project file name. Now tap Done. This will now take us to the Tracker project overview area. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare projects.